Good morning, friends of Travel Your Own Path from Rossbeigh, County Kerry, or Ross Beach as some people call it. That's the view we got, the Atlantic Ocean right there. That's the bay area, and out there is the Atlantic, like the massive ocean. You've got a couple of hills up there if you want to climb them. Nice viewing points, good view. And today we're on the Ring of Kerry tour. So the first stop has been Rossbeigh, basically here, this beach down there. And we're going on to another few places later on. There's roughly maybe 4 or 5 stops, different places. Probably a couple more with the you know, the tourist spots or the scenic spots to take pictures and things like that. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I've been looking forward to it for a couple of weeks now, and the weather has held out good. So yeah, really looking forward to it. And after this vlog, probably going for a quick swim there, and then head on off to the next place. Maybe get a cup of coffee before that time, before driving, and on to the next one. So back here at Rossbeigh, you have Ross Beach House, some accommodation there, something to think about for you. Let me know in the comment section below if you're enjoying these videos, if you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out, and if there's any way you think I can make it better. If there's any suggestions you have, let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, so like I said, I'm really happy to be doing this, and very looking forward to the Ring of Kerry tour today. That's the view you get. The last day, or a couple of vlogs back, I was doing from Inch Beach in County Kerry as well, and if you continue on down this one, that's where you get to. That's Inch down that side. So what I was saying about it being connected, I'm pretty sure it's connected. I think you can actually walk from there to here, but there might be a bit of water in between. Not 100% sure on that one, but so yeah, I'll just give you a look here. It's the road up to continue on the Ring of Kerry tour, and it's a view of the beach. I'll walk down to the beach now as well. And the community is growing, guys, the Facebook community. It's we're on about 1,200 at the moment, and it's pretty good. A lot of interaction going on, a lot of chatting, a lot of pictures from different places being sent in by people, making contacts and friends and stuff, so it's really good. Look at that sun. Love it, love it, love it. Walk down here. There's a place down here as well where you can get something to eat and to drink. It's called Ross Point, so it's got good food in there as well. I haven't actually gone in today, but at different times I've been in there. The remnants of the party. Just walk down to the beach here now. They've got massive rocks, guys, here. They're huge, huge, huge rocks. Let's go down to the sea. Sorry, I couldn't talk there for a minute because I was trying to climb down some rocks. Yeah, it's a beautiful beach. If you come to County Kerry, if you go on the Ring of Kerry tour, they will stop here anyway, like if you're doing a bus tour or anything like that. And if you're just coming by car, stop off yourself, go for a walk along the beach. It's actually nice to come here in any type of weather really, because, well, unless you're blown out by an Atlantic storm or something, but you know, it's really, really peaceful, really nice as well. In winter time you've got big waves and stuff, and it's also nice to come here for a long walk along this beach. And again, like I said, I think it connects to Inch Beach. If it doesn't, there's some water in between, so you might have to access from the other side to get to Inch, but it's really beautiful. The water is actually not that cold either. Just checking there today. I'm still gonna go in anyway, but yeah, so this is pretty much the second stop on the Ring of Kerry if you go out from the Killarney direction. The first one is you stop in Killorglin, County Kerry, which I have on my channel as well, just from a couple of videos ago. And yeah, so Killorglin's a nice stop, and then you come to Glenbeigh is the next stop on the tour of the Ring of Kerry, and I will link those both as well to this video, so I'll put it in the end screen annotation so you'll be able to click through and you'll be able to watch the whole playlist. So I'll just do a whole playlist of the Ring of Kerry for you. A lot of people out, a lot of families and stuff today, just because it's Saturday. A lot of people off work, and with this weather, you know, everyone coming to chill out for the day on the beach, which is usually different summers, not really heard of in Ireland, you know, because the weather is so bad. And so we'll be going up that way in a minute, along that road, and there's some great views there as well I'll take for you. So this was just a quick stop, basically just coming through and letting you see Rossbeigh or Ross Beach in County Kerry. And also you've got out there, you can't really see it now because it's foggy, but you've got views of Skellig Michael, you know, the island. So that was where some of Star Wars was shot as well. Some of the scenes of Star Wars, and it got pretty famous from that time. But later on in on this Ring of Kerry playlist, I'll be able to, weather depending, I'll be able to show you some more of that as well. Hopefully we get better views so I can shoot some of it later on. Just walk back up this way now to the car park. And I shall go and get my towel and a cup of coffee, and then I will go for a swim. So yeah guys, like I said, if you like the content you see on the Travel Your Own Path channel, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and like, subscribe and share if you like the content you see. And also, I forgot to mention, this is a blue flag beach, so that's one of the standards there where, you know, it's really clean, like really, really clean, so very safe to swim. Just walk out here this way. And again, good to take a dip summer or winter time. I've done it in both. And the water is not that cold today, we're now coming into the 1st of July tomorrow, so yeah, it's heated up pretty nicely. The water's nice, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, from Rossbeigh, County Kerry. And stay tuned for the next vlog on the Ring of Kerry series. And you know, like I say, I think it's here. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to the Travel Your Own Path YouTube channel if you like the content you see. And that's pretty much it for this one. So greetings, guys. Have a great day, whatever it is that you're doing. And I shall see you on the next one of the playlist of the Ring of Kerry. Talk to you soon.